And we're now here in Cabanatuan City para itry natin yung Potensice ATOM 2. Again, this is coming from our unboxing experience. Ito yung controller niya, which is one of my best favorites rather, no? So we're just reinstalling everything for the controller. We're gonna use our iPhone here as our app and our means to control. And then we also have here naman the drone. Na-charge na natin yung kanyang battery, na-update na rin natin yung firmware. So everything is done. Basically, ready to fly na po tayo. And there's one thing I actually forgot to do is I do have a memory card which we will be using here. Naiwan ko siya sa Avata 2 and we're going to install it on this drone. Alright, so just a quick moment. Babalik ako. Okay. So, nakuha na natin. So, we have here a 1 terabyte na A2, which is the recommended na memory card for this one, because this one shoots up to 4K. It says that it can shoot up to 8K according to the box, but I haven't actually found a way to actually shoot at 8K on this thing. So yan. Okay na. And now we flip everything. Oh, baligtad. Yan. Ito muna, and then we're basically good to go. Double press. Yan. Yan, okay na. Then baba natin dito. And then we're going to use now our phone. This is our phone. Ang maganda dito is that parang may bulsa yung controller. Nang sa ganon is when you slot this, ayan, no? Secured. Yan, no? So, pwede mo pang i-slot doon. So, you're safe. And then now, we just open the Atom, or Eve rather, the Potensice Eve app. And we're going to hit record para lang at least you can see what I am seeing. And then, buksan na natin to. Still have 3 bars, as you can see. And we're now going to fly. There you go. Okay, so maganda dito sa drone na to, especially with the controller, is that this one has a version or a mode rather that would allow you to take this thing off with just one hand. So take off with one hand. I-enable natin yan. Press and hold C1 button while pulling down the left control for 2 seconds. Release the left stick first. Okay. And release. Okay. Tignan natin na. Okay naman siya. So, kailangan natin siya munang iganon.
40 seconds.
And then, there you go. Just one hand. Galing. And now, we're going to fly this. Itututok lang natin siya somewhere safe. And we're going to hit record and fly. Okay, so now we're currently shooting at 1080p at 30. Later on, let's try to shoot at 4K. And we're going now to circle around our vicinity. Yan, so far, okay naman. Nasanay ako sa FPV drone na pwede nating yan, So ayan, lilingon lang tayo ng konti and then we're going to look around where we are. So we're basically there right now. So record tayo ulit. Let's hit the record button. And then we're going to fly forward. And then dahan-dahan tayo ngayong lilingon pataas. There you go. Then bilisan natin ng konti. So now it's flying at 6 ms. Okay, stop natin. Ibang angulo naman tayo ngayon. Let's try to pan to the left. And kita naman natin ngayon yung Arayat. Over the horizon, tuwid na tuwid siya. No? Medyo walang ganong hangin ngayon, kaya nakikisama sa atin ng nature. And then fly forward lang tayo. Basically, it's right over there at the top of us right now. Quality-wise, okay naman siya. I mean, I like the quality of the video. And let's hit the stop. we have here, we have photo, we have AI night, and we have slow motion. Tapos pagka naman this mode, you just want to take a look at what you just shot, no? Yan siya. So ito yung mga nakuha na natin. And we hit the A for automatic and M for manual. So para mas makontrol mo yung pinaka kulay. And then press it again para lang at least bahala na siya using AI, no? And then let's see, no? Naka-off na rin yung beginner mode natin. And at this time, let's see if we can shoot at 4K, 60 FPS at 4K. Kasi if we shoot, let's say for example, we want to shoot 30, you're just really limited to 4K 30. Okay, HDR mode. Pag nag-HDR tayo, mas maganda dapat yung shot natin. So this is now 4K 30. Let's pull down first, and then what we're going to do is we're going to hit record. Forward tayo, and then dahan-dahan tayo ngayon na lilingon. There. I like the UI because at least for the UI, you're able to see a lot of the essential things, no? When flying a drone, you have the battery of the drone, like how much duration you can still do with the current battery capacity. Like right now, it's telling me na kaya mo pang i-fly ito for 22 minutes, which is really something that I appreciate for this drone. Yan. This is now shot at HDR 4K 30. And then we just stop. In low temperature environments, hover after takeoff and warm up the battery to above 10 degrees. It's not warm. It's not cold right now. It's really warm. So, okay lang tayo ngayon. So this time naman, we're gonna fly or shoot up. And then we're going to press C1. If you press C1, it straightens up the gimbal. But this time, if you press C1 again, taas naman. We're now looking at yung pinakataas niya. And if we hit record, dire-diretso lang tayo para makita natin yung bird's eye view. Yan. Bird's eye view naman tayo yan. And then after that, if you want to control it, dahan-dahan kang papanik, di mas maganda, okay lang din. Like so. Boom. What? There you go. Saya! Okay, now let's stop the recording. Let's hover a little bit closer to us. Unlike FPV, pwede mong lumingon-lingon lang pero this time hindi At least the UI tells you where you are, and if you wanna return to home, I can just simply press this button if I want to, but no, we just want to do things manually this time. And the drone is able to fly back safely. There are other ways that we can do. For example, if we want to, let's say, bilisan yung mode niya, like normal mode or sport mode, we can do that as well. Pagka nag-signal ba, nag-lose ng signal, anong gagawin niya? Mag-return to home ba, land or hover? Yan. And everything. We're, of course, conforming to the local laws. So we're not going beyond 120 meters for now. And maximum distance of 500 meters. Okay na tayo dyan. Cool. Battery information. I like really the UI of Atom. And we're good to go. Sige, balik na tayo ngayon. Kasi our drone is still hovering up in the air. And nandito tayo ngayon sa baba. There. Ayun tayo. There. Babaan tayo ngayon. And stop, and then let's just go down. Not bad for a drone that is just like 18,000 to 19,000. Not a bad choice if you're getting this as your beginner drone. Of course, it won't stop you from getting other fairly more affordable drones. That's okay. But what's important here is now you have a choice. You have a choice of either getting DJI or maybe getting someone from Potensice. And yes, they do deliver to the Philippines, and you can go and check it out. Ganda rin na itsura niya, tahimik pa. Meron siyang downward sensor so that walang collision. And then we can just simply manually bring it down. This is honestly not a bad drone. I really like this drone so much. And as you can see, dati kasi parang feeling ko, if it's not DJI, I won't have any comfort and security to fly a drone. But this proved it wrong. This really is a really nice drone. And I'm happy with this one. And I'm very happy also for Potensice for bringing this to the Filipino market. Now you can get this now. Links, prices are in the description box below. So if you want to know more, this has been Gian. Go check out our website for our full review of the Potensice ATOM 2. Check it out, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.